St. Anne Row. But we don't have no gas. We forgot that Curfew on today, so all the gas station them locked and we gas done. So want a place to want one of Airbnb them open. We can stay for the night.
Okay.
You can call her.
Let me call. I almost said rushing there. I want next place in Old Fort Bay though. But I think she have to get there tonight. Let me call Pam and find out what is over there.
Yeah man, call me and find out. We there, it's probably there. We there the new Texaco. We there the new Texaco.
And your priorities.
Yeah.
How much fuel I have?
37 kilometers I have left in my tank. 37 kilometers left.
37 kilo.
Yeah.
We there the Texaco gas station.
The big new one, on the main.
Yeah, the new one on the main.
In a sentence or OG?
St. Anne's Bay.
Oh, sentence?
Yeah.
I can't run it up. I'm going to call the man and I'll get back to you.
Yeah man.
Alright, just.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Wagwan people. So we have a little problem right now. Well, it's more than a little problem. It's a big problem we're having right now. So we are on our way from. Wait a minute. We are on our way from our weekend stay.
Yeah.
Low and we there I take one time I come down. Now I care in the world. Now remember say a curfew time. Mind you, in a late guys. The normal curfew after 5 now. The normal curfew hours is what? 8 o'clock?
8 o'clock, yes.
But the government them impose a earlier curfew time because they don't want nobody out a party and them thing up on the holiday. So we never remember nothing at all. Me I come down now from country and Terrated. So when I have a tank left, 37 kilometers and we never reach Ocharius yet. We coming from Hanover.
Yeah. We now pre the curfew and I say, we are coming on, we say the road look empty all of a sudden.
The road empty because guys, the road empty.
When we start out, you know, in Hanover, there was vehicles on the road. Coming on Mobile, there was vehicles on the road. But we stopped a little bit because we were tired, so we did a little minor stop. And when we come back on the road, there was no vehicles. And then we said, oh, the place empty.
Yeah, I say maybe I try I don't know if I say maybe the people them gone about them business and come on for the road.
Sunday.
Yeah.
So we now take it now we are going to realize say curfew.
Yeah.
It's 3 o'clock today and
my
now clear at 5 o'clock. So everybody gone in the yard, everywhere lock up.
Yeah. Where we can get some gas, Jaja? From 2 o'clock. Eh? I want to dig up the road for get some gas. I take one thing for joking around. How they watch you stranded? Lord God. They don't remember nothing about curfew. Watch ya. Yo. Watch. Okay, we come in. We pull in at the gas station, no pump attendant. No, sir. No pump attendant. This is all that we have. We're legit stranded. You
only have juice.
Jeez. Alright.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sis.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. The one where on the old folk they know rushing out on the floor. I'm getting there right now. And the other one over to Richmond to South, them on the full. However, there's one of them where the one is supposed to come down today. Come from Kingston today. Come to the place from here to share by it. So from our car. if she can rent it here.
Okay.
And if that the one doesn't work out, the option is one of them I can drive back to. So I work tomorrow so I can carry it back tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's the other option. Or no come pick with me.
Yeah.
So one of them three options because we can't leave it our road.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so
Alright.
as soon as some come back, then we'll know about what.
Guys, our biggest problem is that this holiday weekend, you know, a portion of people come from out of town. Come from in town, come a country to come chill out, or people from overseas as well fly in for the holiday weekend.
Yeah.
So because of that, everywhere book out. Even where we are come from now, book out, because we actually did ask if we could stay another night. And them say no, it's fully booked. So that's a big problem right now. We just hope that the other option, the other Airbnb option that Cassie's brother have work out. If not, I don't know what's gonna happen.
We'll probably check around some of the hotels in St. Anne. It's that hotel we pass Drew's up the road, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a couple hotels. And if we can't get the all-inclusive one, then we go to the smaller ones. But I prefer all-inclusive because you don't have to worry about food after you don't pay your money.
Yeah.
But sometimes when you go into the smaller hotels, you pay the night's fee and you still have to buy food for this outrageous cost. So, yeah, I prefer the all-inclusive method first. But all in all,
we just wait to see what go on there, people, because we're there, you know, we're basically stranded.
don't be like us. I'll be the person
stranded.
who will finish the highway only to realize at the toll booth, oh shit, I don't have no money. Don't be like us, people. Don't be that person.
Oh, Jesus, please.
No, sir.
Call my mother and tell her.
Yeah, because they will be looking for us, right?
Yeah, I'm calling her. Only options on the phone.
Hello?
Hey, Mom, what go on? You know, so we there Ochi stranded, terrated. Here what happened? We there, we there come, we leave the hotel, right? With like quarter tank of gas. But the plan was for whatever reason to close and we buy some gas like Ochi or so. Now we reach down St. Anne, the gas low, and the gas station them locked because of curfew.
Yeah.
So we can't come in. We there make some link to see if we can find a place to stay overnight.
Yeah.
You know? That's a day. Huh? we never remember nothing say early curfew, mommy. That's a problem.
But then guess what? You see even the time when we left the hotel, all the gas stations them would have
locked already. Yeah.
By the time we check out, all the gas stations them would have locked already.
Never remember about no early curfew at all.
And tomorrow, Ali.
Well, then we open tomorrow still, you know, but them are gonna lock early again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Guys, we're there. I try to call around all the hotel them in the area. Real book out. Zine can't get the other hotel them on the phone. I don't know how I go on.
But they not answer them phone.
The place I get dark now, look there. And we can't take the risk and drive from here, so I'm not sure where we are go because at 37 kilometers we have left in the tank. So I don't want to drive, go back and run away bay, and then them place the book out and then I still have to go reach at Ochi. So I don't even know what to do right now, honestly. Probably Paula will come for me, babe, and let her carry her right or so. Why? Hey! Oi! We're gonna try to get through to Drew Runaway Bay right now. Hopefully them have space available. Real book out. Can't get to Bahia. Babe, guys, like,
yeah,
we can't get through to nowhere. I don't know how I go on, and the place it'll get dark now. It's now 5:55. we've been here like an hour now, about 5 o'clock with there from. Yeah.
This is very, 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 very bad. I don't want to leave here. Don't want to leave here. This is a bad situation.
It is a bad situation, Jaden. It is really a bad situation.
I don't understand why they don't
Them not answer the phone.
So. This is crazy because nobody's answering the phone.
My God. I know what I'm going.
Don't hang up. Just.
You want to just drive go back and run away, baby, and try to find somewhere? I could just drive go up there.
Alright, we need to find out
if anything, Paul come for we. Up there, so if we not get nowhere, make Paul come for we. We left the car in a Jewel parking lot and park Paul car we go wherever or whatever. Car we go in yard or whatever. That's probably the best thing. So I'm just gonna leave here and drive go down to Jewel.
Remember call Paul before we go in.
We get the number for what a place a name? Pineapple Court. Let me try there. I don't even know where they my place there, but one of my brethren just sent me this number. So I'm gonna try 974 27. Guys, have you ever heard about Pineapple Court before? Never heard of them. Never heard of them. What's so I go on?
Daddy, the place dirty?
Which place?
Pineapple Court.
I don't know, never been there.
Thank you for calling Pineapple Court. Can I help you?
Hi, good evening. Where exactly are you located, please?
You know Otresa Call? Where are you?
We are in St. Ann.
St. Anne's Bay.
St. Anne's Bay right now. Do you?
Okay, so when do I what?
Alright, this is an all-inclusive hotel?
No, sir.
Okay, what's the rate?
8,000 for a room with 2 double beds, or 8,005 for a room with a king.
Oh, okay. Pineapple Court.
Where are you located?
You're in Ocho Rios?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any space for tonight?
Yeah, we have space, but we don't have no food.
Oh, space but no food.
Right.
Alright, that's a problem because no one open right now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
1 more minute to see.
Alright, no problem. Thank you.
Alright, yeah.
Yes.
That's an option, at least you can sleep there tonight.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. Cardiff is always a good option.
Call him now. Try call him now.
I'll try call them back.
Dad, you call them on your phone. Because Cassandra's phone not working.
You say we're not having a look, right?
Good evening, thank you for calling the Cardiff Hotel and Spa. They are College Hospital.
Do you have any reservations open for tonight?
If we have rooms available for tonight,
Yes.
we do so.
Is it possible for me to book a 1-night stay for tonight? Two adults and a 7-year-old.
Yes, you can just come.
Alright, what's the cost, please?
Alright, so the room with 2 double beds, $13,260.
2 double beds. Okay.
That's food inclusive, right?
That's just inclusive of breakfast.
So what about dinner?
Just a minute, please.
We're on the phone with Cardiff right now. Right now, anything he'll do.
Yo, we're waiting on your response.
It's $17,160
Oh.
for the night with breakfast and dinner.
For
For the 2 adults, whatever the child has, you'll have to pay for it separately.
okay. Alright, thanks much.
You're welcome.
Alright. So in the really pretty, you know. It will work out to the same 20 grand or more because.
But we just can't get through to. Better we go back that way there anyway, take it, you know.
Alright, let me try and call the other people then. Let me try and call, because you see we get through to them now.
Who then?
We get through to Cardiff now. And if you know that Cardiff have space, so that's an option. Let's try back by here.
Daddy?
Yes, Jaden?
Daddy, if you don't have any money for it, there's an ATM open.
ATM are never the problem if you don't have money, Jaden. It's always you don't have any money part.
That's a big part, big problem.
And you have card, if you don't have any money, you just use a card.
How does drive go down Jewel Bean? And if anything, we go Cardiff, because they're both right there. Alright, so I guess that's it right now.
Which other hotels around? Okay guys, so that's the update. We called the Cardiff. Cardiff has space. We are trying to get to Drew's as well, because we want somewhere that is all inclusive, so that we don't have to worry about food and stuff like that. So first I like how we have Jay. So we're gonna go to Drew's, and Drew's and Cardiff should be in the same vicinity.
Yeah, Discovery Bay, Runaway Bay, which one?
Runaway Bay.
Runaway Bay, right.
And we have enough gas for that. So we know, say, if we can't get in a Drew's, at least we can rely on Cardiff. So that's our plan for now. So we'll keep you guys in tune.
Yeah, guys.
To all this dilemma.
My God, right now I kind of feel that way, because guess what? It get dark now. Before it never so bad. 5 o'clock did alright. It never dark, but now them hours there. Show them the road.
I think this is the Drew. This is after this. Then that's where we will turn out to go to Cardiff.
Yeah.
It's kind of dark now. So basically we just want to get somewhere very soon. Yeah. Because you know hungry time and we got Jay. So.
Out there in a Senton people drive round. Yeah.
So at least now we know, we definitely know that we can rely on Cardiff, so that's a great thing. Yeah. But we can't get Jews on the phone, which is sad, because them big time hotel there, you call them for book, you can't get them on the phone. We can't even get by here principally. Like we can't get these hotels on the phone, which is very sad, I must say. But yeah, we'll keep you guys in tuned, alright?
Hey, what on? Yeah.
Hey guys.
Yeah man, so we actually did get a room last night at the Cardiff Hotel.
Yeah.
Right. And we go down a Jewel's. Jewel's not accept kids. Jesus. You know, after we host it up, them not accept kids. You get me? I said the camera not open yet. There's the other hotel them. There's the other hotel them. No, wrong way, Jaden. This way. This way. Come.
Other way they really walk?
No, we never walk there, so. Right, that's so true. Because them a change up, them a put some covering over so the normal route block off. Yeah. Yeah, so we're there at Cardiff. At least we could have somewhere we could have lay with heads, you know. All of the Airbnb them I know about in the hotel, the whole of them book out. The whole of the hotel them book out.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah. At least
we at Cardiff. Cardiff has always treated us nice, so
yeah.
In the past, so yeah.
So we're going for breakfast right now. One trouble around about there. We are at the Z dining area. Alright. Yep. Just gonna show the pool area right now. Jaden say more and go swimming also. I just spend a little time and then we head out. So when I want to reach yesterday, again today. You know, the gas stations are open now, thank God. So we're gonna leave early enough so we can get gas and go in.
Too big fire.
Too deep?
Yes.
The 4 feet in here. See the line here, this is how you have to stay over this side if you're going in. Yeah. Breakfast. It's very good, you know?
Always.
Yeah. One thing when I place here, them food is very good.
Yeah, them food never disappoint.
So that's why whenever they really want to go somewhere that doesn't have food, because at least you can get dinner and breakfast. You know? Yeah. And last night with the curfew, you know, we couldn't get food on the road. We had dead hungry last night. Yeah. How is it? Feel nice?
Yeah, if you wear one.
Okay. Jay, you're not going in the water? You're not going down? Just dip, man. Just dip. Just dip.
Okay.
Just go on and dip. And then we are alright. Close the eye. 1, 2, 3. Come, ready. Hey! Alright. They say all's well that ends well, right?
That's so true. So now it's ending well twice. Let's not let it end well twice, alright? We're making it home this time.
Yeah, man. The gas station is just down the street, so we're gonna get some gas now. It's early, so we're not worried about no lock off, no curfew, nothing like that. We'll get gas and we dip on way home now. So we check out the hotel and we're gone, you know. So signing off from the Delpratt family, guys.
Bye, guys.
Remember to hit the like button, alright?
And remember to hit
notification
bell so you're notified every time we post a video.
Alright, guys. Bye.
Bye,
Peace
guys.
out. Peace out.